Powered by Palmer's Roofing, J&S Auto Supply Bumper to Bumper, Fort Smith Therapy, Terry's Place.
Good evening, Southwest Arkansas. Welcome back to Southwest Arkansas weather here on this Thursday, here as of 8:30. In today's Outlook, we're going to talk about the Friday Night Lights forecast for your football games as we head into Friday night, and the 6-day outlook, what's in store for the rest of the 6-day forecast, and as we head into this weekend and next week. Also going to talk about the drought outlook and wildfire danger, and feel free, if you have any questions throughout any of this, feel free to leave them in the comments. We'll try to get to them and answer them the best of our ability. So starting off with the Friday Night Lights high school football forecast, we can see here it's not going to, I don't think rain chances are going to be as great as what we seen last week, but we do have the chance for some areas to have some rainfall for tomorrow evening. That is from kickoff, around 30% throughout this time frame. Temperatures will be around 80 degrees, though, with partly cloudy, partly sunny skies as we go throughout the day tomorrow. You're going to see a northeast to north wind of 5 miles per hour with 30% chance of rain. Temperatures are going to start off in the 80s and cool down into the 70s, mid to upper 70s throughout this time frame. Real quickly, I do want to pull up the radar and show you what we could potentially see with Futurecast as we go throughout the day tomorrow. One thing I do want to mention, though, is this isn't fully in at this time. It does only go 21 hours out, but I think it should cover, it should get us close to what that time frame that we're talking about is. And if it doesn't, at the end of this, we'll go back to it. But one thing I do want to mention is just remember, this is model data. It's not exactly what's going to occur tomorrow, but it's going to give us a general idea on what we could potentially see as we go throughout the day tomorrow on Friday. So this is what Futurecast is showing, starting off at 5 a.m. Maybe some rainfall across far southern portions of the coverage area. Then as we progress throughout that morning hours, it kind of continues to show rain chances probably on Friday are going to be highest probably across far southern Arkansas. There throughout most of the morning there, early morning hours, those rain chances start to diminish but stick around as some scattered isolated chances of some showers. This only goes to 4 p.m. at this current time, but what we will do, we'll come back to this and show you what it's showing as it loads a little later in this stream here. But you can see there's an area of showers here, and here is what actually earlier data was wanting to do with this earlier today, and let me get there back to that. It earlier model guidance was showing more shower development to continue throughout the afternoon hours with this and kind of move south there towards the evening, and as we head towards that football time frame, may have some chances of showers. Now, once again, I do want to mention, this isn't exactly what future radar is going to look like. It just helps give us a general idea of what we could potentially see with that. But you can get the general idea. Some rain chances could be possible tomorrow night. We do have, once again, that 30% chance of rainfall across the coverage area. And we'll go back and see what that newest model data and guidance is showing for tomorrow at the end of this stream here. But once again, just be prepared, bring some rain jackets and maybe some jackets in general as you may cool down throughout that time frame. Now, taking a look at the 6-day forecast, the long-awaited cold front is coming here soon, coming throughout the day tomorrow night. You're going to see a cold front come through tomorrow evening, tomorrow night-ish there, but we really won't see the effects of that until Saturday. On Friday, isolated chance of some thunderstorms, some showers, partly cloudy skies. Highs are going to range from the mid to upper 80s. Probably a few lower 90s may be possible, a lot like today. Overnight lows are going to be in the lower 60s with a 30% chance of some rain. But look at this weekend, some perfect weather to get outdoors, enjoy the fall-like weather this weekend. Saturday, sunny skies, or basically almost a copycat, or really a copycat on Saturday and Sunday. Highs are going to be in the lower 80s, maybe even upper 70s in some places. Overnight lows are going to be in the lower 50s. I do think Mina, you could potentially get to the upper 40s for overnight lows this weekend. Monday, we are going to slowly start to see a warming trend as we head into this upcoming week. Monday, highs are going to be continuing to increase into the lower to mid 80s. Overnight lows still in the mid to upper 50s. And then some rain chances may be in store on Tuesday and Wednesday. We're going to watch this. Right now they're low, but as we get closer, I want to continue to watch this and continue to see if we have any new updates with data and guidance as we get closer. But right now, a 10 to 20% chance of some isolated thunderstorms, partly cloudy skies, highs in the mid to or mid 80s, overnight lows in the lower 60s as we head into the beginning or middle of next week there on your for your 6-day forecast. Now, real quickly, I do want to pull up the give me 1 second here, the drought outlook for this time frame here. So let me pull that up. Give me one moment here. This is the U.S. Drought Monitor website, and this is for the Arkansas area. This was updated Thursday, September the 5th, and once again, you really haven't seen much of any changes with it. It's still showing pretty much that yellow color area is the D0 or abnormally dry area. That continues to go across most of southwest Arkansas. There is a few areas that it's not in right now, but it's for most of southwest Arkansas at this time. This tan colorish area here for portions of Union County or most of Union County, all of Little River, Sevier, portions of Howard, Polk, southern Polk County, portions of Montgomery County is a D1 moderate drought. So we do have drought conditions ongoing across portions of Arkansas at this time, and it's even higher in the southeast corner and eastern corner of the state. Sadly, that rainfall that we got, I explained this earlier in a post, that rainfall that we got wasn't enough to really put a dent in this. So that's what we expected. We didn't expect it to put much of a really big dent in this outlook or in the drought monitor outlooks and such there as well. Here's from the Arkansas Forestry Division. This comes from the Arkansas Forestry Division's website. This shows you your wildfire danger. The green color in the green colored counties, which there is none right now, are low. The yellow colored area counties are moderate, and then the orange colored counties are high for the wildfire danger, and red is extreme. But these dashed red checkerboard area or counties are where burn bans are in effect. Those burn bans are issued by your county judges, and right now, Ouachita County, Bradley County, Union County, Miller County, Sevier County, Jefferson County, Lincoln County, Chico County, Prairie County, Yale County, and Independence County are the only counties at this time that are under a burn ban from the, these are issued from your county judges there across the area. But we still do have a high wildfire danger from Hempstead County, Nevada, Lafayette, Miller, Columbia, Ouachita, basically far southern Arkansas. You still have that there. Sadly, I don't see anything. Maybe we may see some more rainfall as we head towards this upcoming week or middle half of this week. We'll have to really see what we see with that to really get to see how big of an impact that plays on what we see on what we continue to see with the wildfire danger there at this time. So real quickly, I do want to also show you once again, if you missed anything, feel free to go back and rewatch any of this that you missed, or now is the time where if you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments and we'll answer them. Real quickly though, I do want to show you current radar. Give me just one moment here. Okay, actually I do, let's see here. I do potentially, okay, we're going to take a look at actual radar here, and then I do want to show you what the newest data is showing for Friday night, or for Friday, for your rain chances and such there as well. So we're going to take a quick look at that, and if you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments. Once again, one thing to mention is there is going to be a 6-day forecast post coming out later, so if you don't want to watch the video or you don't have the time to, that'll be posted as a worded forecast at around 9, I think, is what we have it scheduled for. But feel free, after this video is ended, to go back and you can rewatch it and skip through any parts that you don't want to look at or anything of that nature. But we do have some isolated showers and storms, or really some isolated showers across the area still down here near El Dorado, Magnolia area at this time. Also, some more scattered showers up here near the Lake Greason area, Nashville area. Just some light showers. Earlier, these were heavier, but those are continuing to decrease as we go across the area. But really, who's been stealing the show down here is portions of Louisiana up here near the southeastern Arkansas and northern or northeastern Louisiana border. There's a flash flood warning in effect down there, or 2 to 5 inches of rain has fallen in those areas. So we do have most of the heavy rain has been missing us to the south in Texas. We are south in to the south in Louisiana and Texas, and we've just been getting the edge of it basically, if we've seen any of that really throughout the last few days. So real quickly, one more time here, I am going to take a look at what the HRRR is showing for data. So let's take a look at what it's showing from 8 p.m. to tomorrow. One thing I do want to mention is with this, as we always say, this is just one of the many tools that we use. It's not the only tool that we use to build a forecast. So this just helps give us a general idea of what future radar could potentially look like as we go throughout the day tomorrow. It's not exactly what the future radar is going to look like. But as we go throughout the rest of this time tonight, maybe some isolated showers, but some more rain chances look to continue to develop by tomorrow morning across far southern Arkansas. There from Magnolia, El Dorado, or that general area could have some rainfall tomorrow morning. That continues throughout the morning. I do think rain chances are highest in the morning anyways, probably south of that I-30 corridor area based off of what we're currently seeing. Now, that doesn't mean anywhere else may not have a chance to see rain. That's where rain chances are highest currently. These do start to calm down some in a way, according to what this is showing in the afternoon hours, but here's what you have to pay attention. Watch northern portions of the coverage area or near Mena. As we head into this afternoon, you start to see some more showers, maybe even some more isolated thunderstorms develop. And as these develop here, you see, as we back this up to around start of football games and a little before, these start to enter our coverage area. So if this could be an hour ahead, an hour behind, depending on where these develop or if these develop. That's a big question with this, but just be prepared for some isolated rain chances as we go throughout the day tomorrow. Now, 7 p.m., Hot Springs, maybe just remember some rain chances could be possible across the coverage area as we head into tomorrow evening for those football games across portions of those areas. And then that's as far as this goes. So make sure to take a rain jacket with you tomorrow evening there as well, just to be prepared if you're going out to those football games. And all these graphics that you've seen will be posted on the Facebook page. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments. We'll go over any questions that you have. Right now, I don't see any questions. And if you do, feel free to leave them in the comments and we'll get to them. But once again, not expecting a full washout for games, but I do think there could be some isolated showers, thunderstorms, maybe possible tomorrow evening for your football games. Some rain chances will be possible throughout the morning, anyways. That is, and maybe throughout most of the day down there across far southern Arkansas. We will, and mainly those storms are going to be basically ahead of that cold front. So we'll have to watch those, just see when and if those develop, and when they do, we'll have radar updates and stuff of that nature out tomorrow evening. So if you're at football games, make sure to keep an eye on radar. I know it's been almost a wet start to football season so far the past 2 weeks, but as always, if you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments. Once again, one last little overview of the 6-day forecast. Going to be a little on the warm side tomorrow. 30% chance some isolated showers and storms as we go throughout the day. Partly cloudy, partly sunny skies. Pretty much what we've seen today. A mix of clouds and sun, some isolated showers and storms. Highs are going to be in the upper 80s, maybe even lower 90s in some cases. Overnight lows in the lower 60s. And this weekend, sunny skies. Get outside and enjoy that. Make plans to be outside if you can. Highs in the lower 80s. Maybe even in the upper 70s, overnight lows in the lower 50s, and Mena area could be in the upper 40s, just in the upper 40s could be a good possibility for them. Sunny skies continue into Monday. Highs are going to be in the lower to mid 80s. We start to see a warming trend and maybe some small rain chances in the middle of next week. Now, I do want to watch those. Those could continue to increase as we get closer. We are far away from that. So as we get more data, more information in, those rain chances may increase or decrease. Just continue to keep an eye on the 6-day forecast there. But a nice period coming up here shortly with our first real fall tasting cold air. That is, that cold front's going to move through tomorrow evening, tomorrow nightish, and continue to move through the area there as well. So, as always, I want to thank you guys very much for trusting us with your source for all things Southwest Arkansas weather. And as always, continue to make sure to check out the YouTube page as well. Make sure, feel free to check the YouTube page out as well. We have a lot of information over there, a lot of video forecasts, daily video forecasts in case you're interested in that. We go over a lot of information there as well. We keep it the same for the most part. We pretty much keep it the same. We just do some more video forecasts in the mornings and such over there. Also live streams and all that sort of stuff. Some of the same stuff you could get here, but just in different forms here as well. Just weather wisdom stuff where we go over different, like what is a severe thunderstorm warning, what is a tornado warning, all that sort of stuff. Quick with little updates, morning outlooks where we go in depth over the forecast and stuff of that nature. So make sure to check that stuff out over there on the YouTube page. We would love to have you over there as well. And continue to follow us over here on Facebook with all your source for all things Southwest Arkansas weather. We'll continue to keep you weather aware. And remember, we're not done. Our secondary severe weather season is usually right around the corner. Enjoy the nice, cooler fall air. And remember that, hey, just keep that in mind. Severe weather season is potentially around the corner there as well, or a secondary severe weather season, that is. Hopefully we won't have anything, but hey, it's always a possibility in Arkansas, so stay weather aware, and as always, have a good rest of your Thursday. Good luck to all of our football teams tomorrow night, and thank you guys very much for trusting us right here with your source for all things Southwest Arkansas weather.
Powered by Palmer's Roofing, J&S Auto Supply Bumper to Bumper, Fort Smith Therapy, Terry's Place.